we are going to sort types of weather today. I am using a 3-sort organizer. You can get them at the dollar store. If you have one laying at home, sometimes in our drawers we use them. Or if you don't have one, you can use 3 different bowls or plates, anything that you have lying around. And our types of weather are rain, clouds, and lightning. We have rain, clouds, and lightning. For our rain, we're gonna look to find one. And our rain looks like a raindrop. Our next type of weather is a cloud. Clouds are white and puffy. We are going to use a cotton ball. We can feel it. It is soft. It is fluffy. It looks like a cloud. And our next weather is lightning. Lightning looks yellow. You could use pipe cleaners if you have them at home, or if you are going to the store and you happen to see them. They have the yellow with the silver on them, which is very tactile for our friends to touch. I just used paper and it was fun. You could wrinkle them up as a job, and then it looks like lightning. So we're gonna find an item, and then we're gonna practice with our words. Put in. Put in. Okay, so we're gonna sort. First, we have to look at our types of weather. We can just grab one. I have to put in the cloud. Where is the cloud? There it is. I'm going to put in. I see lightning. Lightning is yellow. I'm going to put in lightning. I'm going to pick a different type of weather. I'm going to find a raindrop. We have to put in the raindrop. Rain goes here. I have a cloud. I'm going to put in the cloud. Next, I'm going to pick up a yellow lightning bolt. We have to put in our lightning. Where do we see our other lightnings? Right there. And then we're gonna do more sorting. I have 2 raindrops. We have to put in our raindrops. There they are. I'm going to pick more raindrops. I have 2 again that I have to put in. 2 raindrops. I'm going to keep sorting. I see a cloud. I have to put in with the other clouds. I see lightning. I'm going to put in with the other lightnings. I'm gonna find 3 raindrops and put them in with the raindrops. I have a cloud. A cloud I have to put in. Where are the clouds? Right here. Good work. I'm going to sort the rest of our weather. Rain, cloud, lightning, 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 and 2 raindrops I put in rain. Our sorting is all done. You sorted lightning bolts, clouds, and rain. Good job.